As the curtain begins to draw on the 2024-2025 Betway Premiership season, one name continues to dominate headlines is Lucas Ribeiro. The Mamelodi Sundowns forward has been nothing short of sensational, emerging as the league's top goal scorer while spearheading the campaign of South Africa's most dominant club. Having arrived in the PSL with high expectations, the Brazilian has not disappointed. In his debut season, he notched 16 goals across all competitions. This term, he's already eclipsed that figure, boasting 18 goals and 10 assists, a testament of his growing influence within Miguel Cardoso's star-studded squad. Ribeiro's impact has been profound, playing a pivotal role in Sundowns' relentless pursuit of an unprecedented 8th consecutive league title and a long-awaited CAF Champions League crown. While Ribeiro is the front-runner for the prestigious Footballer of the Season award, he is not without competition. The likes of Ronwen Williams and Patrick Maswanganyi has also earned widespread acclaim, with their names frequently surfacing in conversations around the season's standout performers. Veteran coach Gavin Hunt, a 5-time recipient of PSL Coach of the Season accolade, shared his personal picks during an appearance on SuperSport Unplugged. Surprisingly, Hunt did not place Ribeiro at the top of his list. He said Ikram Reyners gets you important goals. He's got to be in there. At Orlando Pirates, the boy in midfield, Makhehleni Makaula, has been their best player. He's won Man of the Match award so many times. He's the glue there. Young Relebohile Mofokeng is also one to watch. Let's see if he makes the move abroad. If Pirates get a good offer, he might go. Despite acknowledging Ribeiro's undeniable numbers, Hunt offered a critical perspective on the Brazilian's adaptability and said if you take Ribeiro and put him at Magesi, I think he'll struggle. But you've got to go with him because he's the number one right now and he's got the goals. Still in a team where he's required to work harder, I'm not sure he'd shine the same way. For me, the best player in South Africa is Teboho Mokoena. As the debate rages and the season nears its climax, one thing is clear, the race of Footballer of the Season is far from a foregone conclusion. Whether it's the prolific Ribeiro, the engine room brilliance of Mokoena, or the consistency of unsung heroes like Makaula, the PSL has no shortage of elite talent making their case. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.